Hello everyone, welcome back to Edgy Blend. I am Gio George.
And this is Ambika.
Today we are going to share with you guys one of our best recipe, which is
grilled garlic shrimp.
That's right, grilled garlic shrimp. So are you guys ready?
Let's go.
Stay tuned.
Alright guys, these are the ingredients for our grilled garlic shrimp. Handful of coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of whole black pepper, 6 cloves of garlic, half tablespoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of salt. Salt you can add as needed for the taste. I'm using 1 tablespoon of salt. Bell pepper, you can have different colors of bell pepper. I'm using red and yellow. You can also add green, so it will be very colorful. And the main ingredients are our sauce. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. For the sauce, you can use any different brand, it doesn't matter. So let's marinate our garlic shrimp. So let's chop our ingredients. Alright guys, so I have already chopped our garlic into small pieces. So I'm gonna be smashing it in a stone grinder. I like to use stone grinder, but you guys can use food processor or anything to grind your ingredients. So now add your black peppers. So now add your coriander leaf and grind your coriander leaf with the ingredients. Alright, so this is how it should look after you grind the ingredients. Wow. It smells so good. It's so aromatic. Look at that. I cannot describe the smell. So let's marinate our shrimp. First, we're gonna add the grinded garlic, pepper, and coriander leaves. And then we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Salt to taste. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt, and half tablespoon of brown sugar. Give it a good mix. So now we are gonna refrigerate this for 30 minutes. Alright guys, our garlic shrimp is nicely marinated, as you can see. Now we're gonna use this skew, or this is called bamboo stick also. So I have soaked this in water when you put it in the grill so it doesn't get burnt. Now we are gonna put this shrimp into the bamboo stick like this, slowly. And then we're gonna get one of the bell pepper. If you want, you can also use onions, but I'm just using the bell pepper so it looks colorful. Alright guys, our garlic shrimp is ready to go to the grill. Look at that. This is how it looks. Look how colorful it is. Oh my god. Alright, so our grill is ready. So let's brush some coconut oil. You can use olive oil also. I love coconut oil. It gives a very good flavor. Now we're gonna put our shrimp on the grill. Sizzling. Let's close the lid. Cook it for 5 minutes. Shrimp cooks so faster, so you don't have to overcook it. Alright guys, let's flip our shrimp to the other side. Oh my god, look at this. Now you can see that our color, the shrimp color has changed to like slightly brown. This is how it should look. So we're cooking it at 300 degrees, 3 to 5 minutes. Now let's brush it with some coconut oil. Again, coconut oil gives it such a good flavor. So it's very good to brush it up a little bit. Alright, now we're gonna close it. Cook it for 3 more minutes and the shrimp will be ready. Alright guys, wow, look at that. Oh my god, it smells so delicious. It looks so good. So this is how it should look. You will see that both sides is slightly brown in color. It's finally ready. And now it's time to taste it. So this is one of our favorite appetizer.
You can also serve this with fried rice or salad.
So we're using 2 different kinds of sauce today.
You know, this shrimp already has like a really good flavor, but if you want to make it a little bit more sweet for the kids, you know, you can use the, you know, sweet chili sauce. My kids love it. You can get this from any supermarket.
If you like it really hot, we have a very special hot sauce here. It's called Mad Hombre. The name for this is King of Mango Habanero, and it is very good hot sauce. If you are a hot sauce lover, This is very good, guys. You should try it.
So if you guys want to buy this sauce, I'll leave the link in the description. So you can go to their website. It's called Mad Hombre. Now, they do have like a different flavors also. So if you guys want to try it, you know, please try it out. It's really good.
I am so excited to try this. Dip in the hot sauce first.
So good, guys.
I love hot sauce. Let's see how this tastes. Guys, if you like hot sauce, this is the best. Really spicy, very good flavor. The shrimp itself have all the flavors from the garlic, the coriander leaf, and the pepper. And when you dip it in the hot sauce, oh my god, it is so yummy. You should definitely try this. Let me see the sweet sauce now.
This one is really sweet.
This is
So
yummy.
I'm gonna try some, you know, spicy because we like spicy.
This is actually, you know, organic. They make at home. Good,
Oh
right?
yeah, it's really good. Yeah, I like this one better.
It's good, right?
Yeah, because it's spicy. It's good. We always make this for the kids because kids loves it.
This is my favorite. Please try it. This is tasty, Mama.
I'll try it.
Mom, can you give us more?
How was the food?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
You want some more?
Yeah.
It's finished.
You guys finished it.
This is my favorite shrimp. Mama cooking.
Alright everyone, we hope you enjoyed this video. Please try it and let us know if you like it.
Also, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. You know, share it to your friends and family. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Until we see you next time,
Stay blessed.